Change is not easy. There is no one magic bullet that will transform schools or students. There does exist, however, curriculum philosophies and pedagogical paradigms that will move teacher practice and student performance in a positive direction. This curriculum change is centered around the notion of challenge-based learning. That does not mean, however, that CBL can solve all our ills or problems. Challenge-based learning combined with the proven concepts of understanding by design can move practice in the right direction. The notion, however, that our job is not accomplished by covering material. Rather, it is accomplished when the student learns and can operationalize that learning, is perhaps the most paramount change we can make in our effort to change student outcomes. Challenge-based learning is the logical progression of the concept of problem-based learning. Problem-based learning is a research-supported learning system that encourages students to discover knowledge on their own while developing the right brain skills of creativity, synthesis, information gathering, and drawing connections between different data sources. Challenge-based learning takes these concepts to the next level and has the students design their own challenges and requires outcomes to be completable. Challenges are expected to be authentic and actionable. The challenge, from start to finish, is owned by the student, which increases the engagement by and value to the student. Thomas Friedman and others point out globalization is changing the realities of economy and society in new and profound ways. In order to be successful in that flat world, a student must develop the right brain and associated right brain skills. Challenge-based learning has the effect of developing the skills of information acquisition and discrimination, creativity, empathy, synthesis, and ownership. These skills enhance the metacognitive value of challenge-based learning and moves us towards arming the students with high-level proficiencies in all curriculum areas. Challenge-based learning and understanding by design offers us the best chance to help students thrive in the whole new flat world. In the coming years, the level of adequate yearly progress will increase incrementally until it reaches 100%. Very shortly, therefore, all students will be expected to be proficient or advanced proficient in language arts and mathematics. Our current curriculum model is not equipped to make this journey. Students are just barely making standardized test benchmarks at present. As those benchmarks rise, our curricular shortcomings will be made very evident. Challenge-based learning offers an alternative to the current model that will increase the student's ability to learn, not just their ability to memorize. In a world where failure to make NCLB is punished by thousands upon thousands of dollars of funding cuts, the immediacy of the need to begin implementing a CBL curriculum becomes apparent. The challenges or projects in challenge-based learning are all derived from the principles of understanding by design. All units begin with an essential question. The essential question then spawns a student challenge. The students then come up in conjunction with the teacher, guiding questions to help guide their study in an attempt to answer their challenge. Work then begins on gathering information and constructing plans to complete the challenge. Challenges are meant to be authentic and real for the students. All challenges and solutions are meant to be actionable. Since the students are involved in every aspect of the process, there is increased student ownership and therefore increased student buy-in. Because the projects are meant to be actionable, there is a sense of usefulness and reality to the students' efforts. The implementation of any new curriculum will create challenges for a school and school district. The transition from the system that the staff and students are habituated to, didactic instruction, to the new CBL system will cause disruption. Initially, student achievement may go down and faculty frustration may substantially increase. This will go away over time, however, as everyone habituates to the new system. In the end, challenge-based learning does mean more work for the teachers as they prepare and monitor new types of lessons. The school system as a whole will also be required to rethink teacher assessment, teacher support, and union contractual issues, all designed to better support the initiative and implementation of challenge-based learning. The positive effects of implementing a curriculum based around the concepts of challenge-based learning will be quite profound. Some of the immediate benefits will be increased student engagement, development of student metacognitive skills, increased development of right brain skill sets, and the increase of student higher order thinking skills. These strengths will lead to graduating students that are better able to compete in the modern marketplace and to the school's continued success in the metrics of no child left behind.